Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna do an update, and this is gonna be a late update. This week I wanna film the updates of every project that I have on my channel that I haven't filmed because I've been kind of sick and I just neglected my channel. So today I want to do the Partners in Cream project pan. If you don't know about this project pan, this was created by Steph and DaLin. I'm gonna leave their channels linked below. They're amazing, you need to watch them. This is an all cream and liquid project pan. On the third update, you were able to choose a new set of products. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I did with the products that I already had, and I'm gonna switch up a few products. I'm gonna keep a few because I wanna finish them completely, or I wanna reach the goal that I set for them when I started this project. Okay, so as a recap, on my last update, I removed the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer because I wanted to heat pan on that. I did, and I replaced it with the Color Beads primer, which is one Colombian brand, and I wanted to heat pan on this one, and I did, and I actually repressed it and heat pan on it again. I think this is gonna last me forever, and I'm super in love with this product. So this is actually another goal reached that I've been using it for 2 months, and so from time to time, even though I put it back in my drawer already, I will reach for it because I love the smooth look that it gives to my skin. I would highly recommend that if you live in Colombia to grab these. This is super affordable and it's amazing. I think this is why people love the Tarte Smoothless Operator. I guess that it's the same consistency as this one. It's so wonderful for pore filling. Then on my last update, I didn't reach any other goal, but I had then, counting the Color Beads one that I already hit my goal on, I had the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in the shade 3C, the Milk Pigment in After Party, the ABH Liquid Glow, the NARS Cream Blush in Cactus Flower, and the Dior Nude BB Cream. I had different goals for each of them, so I'm gonna talk to you guys about every single goal that I reached, and then I will tell you the ones that are gonna be left on my project. So since I already started with the Color Beads one that I reached a goal on, I'm gonna talk about the other two that I reached my goal on. The first one is right here, and this is the Aqua Lip in the shade 3C. This is all I have left, and I can't sharpen it anymore. So as soon as I finish this, it's already done and gone. I've been using it. I don't waste products, so even though it's already finished, I still use the little bed that it has over there, and I will do it until I finish it. Let me show you. So that's all I have left, and for the life of me, I've been trying to sharpen it more, but I can't. So this is, I'm gonna consider this an empty, and it's another goal that I reached because my goal for this one was to finish it. And then the only other goal that I reached was to heat pan on my NARS Cactus Flower, because I thought this was never gonna happen because, to be honest, this is so pigmented, but since I tend to put my brush and my sponge on the same place, and I would use it on my lips and on my cheeks, it happened. I don't know how much longer I will have this product because at some point it will start to go bad, but I'm gonna try to, I'm gonna keep it on my everyday acrylic organizer right there so that I can reach for it from time to time until it goes completely bad and I can't use it anymore. But it's a wonderful product. I wish that NARS would just stick with this formula. I think it's better, maybe put it in another type of container or in a squeezy tube or whatnot, but these products were amazing, and Penny Lane, they need to come back with it. It's just a beautiful cream blush. So 3 goals hit, and on top of that, my Poreless Putty Primer that I also heat pan on my last update. And then the products that I didn't reach my goal were a few of them. The Milk Pigment, I'm not gonna show it to you guys because I decided that I'm not gonna use that on myself. I used it a couple times. I had 14 grams of product on it, and the last time that I weighed it, it was still 14 grams. But I'm gonna put it on my kit and see if I can use it the most that I can, and use it on bright when I do a cut crease, because to be honest, I don't wear cream eyeshadow and then powder shadow on my eyes. So if I leave it in my personal collection, that's gonna just go bad and it's gonna be wasteful because it's a beautiful Cream Pigment. So I don't even have it here because it's in my makeup artistry bag. It found a better home in my opinion. Even though it's in my collection, it's in my makeup artistry kit. Then for the Dior Nude BB Cream, this one I've been trying to finish, and I have to say I've been so good about rotating the amount of foundations that I own that I don't even feel bad that I haven't finished this, since it doesn't match me at all. What I'm trying to do is use it. Sometimes I mix it with other foundations. I try to use it in many ways. Sometimes I even use it as a bronzer because it tends to oxidize on my face. But I was using fake tan almost every week, and it has been about 2 months since I applied fake tan the last time that I did. So I need to go back to applying fake tan so that I can finish this one. But you can see that this was brand new when I put it in the project. I only used it twice before that, and I think this has been discontinued, but I had it in my collection unopened for ages, and I know that the SPF doesn't work, but I don't mind. I use a separate SPF, and this one I've used a ton. You can see it right here. The weight of it was 46 grams, and now it's 40 grams. So I've lowered it 6 grams. I think a little bit more because I waited the day before yesterday or 3 days ago, and I used it one more time. And I know that I can finish this. I know that I will have to finish this year because this is pretty old, but I know that it's possible. This one will be staying in my new rotation of products for this project. I hope that I can finish it in the next 3 months, so that I have one foundation gone, because I've noticed that my foundation collection has been growing, but that I haven't been falling in love with them. I love a few foundations in my collection, but I'm not in love with them. I don't have my holy grail foundations in my own personal shade, in my own personal collection. And then the product that always surprises me the most is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow. This highlighter, for some reason, is the product that I've used the most during the entire project because I fell in love with it. It was brand new when I added it to the project, and it was brand new coming into my life. It wasn't only that it was unopened, it was brand new for me, and I fell in love with it. So I've used it. You can see this was packed full, and right now you can squeeze it and it has gone down a lot, but it's only in weight 1 gram lower. I'm not gonna weight my products anymore because I find that to be my weight doesn't have decimals in it. But it's not only that, I find that to make me stressed out and make me feel disappointed, and makes me feel like I'm not reaching goals or whatnot. So I prefer, from now on, I'm not gonna weight my products. The two that are gonna be left from this first update, I'm gonna keep weighting them because I already started keeping the weight of them. But the new ones that I'm gonna add, I'm not gonna. And I don't care to have tallies or of everything. What I care is that you guys can see the progress, and that you guys can see if I finish a product or not, and how I feel about the product. So this one, I've only gone down 1 gram, and my goal is to reach this little sticker right here, this washi tape. I love this product. I don't want to finish it. I want to finish it because I love it, but I'm not in any hurry to finish it, and I use it almost every single day. Without makeup, on top of makeup, it's wonderful. I think this is perfect, and it comes with so much product. You wouldn't even imagine the amount of product that it comes with, because you need a tiny drop to do your entire face. And now for the 4 products that I'm gonna add to the project, and I wanna finish them all, or try to finish them all, but for sure I wanna finish 3, and one of them I wanna make progress on. The 3 that I wanna finish are these Cargo Swimmables black liner, and this is a really nice black liner. It's not necessarily my favorite, but it's up there. As soon as I finish all of my black liners, I want to do sort of a video reviewing all of them, because last year a subscriber, Valerie, she gave me about 6 eyeliners, and just one that I've tried so far is a fail, and I finished 2 of the one that she sent already, and I've been finishing other black liners in my collection. So I'm sort of knowledgeable when it comes to eyeliners, and my favorite is still one that is $3 or $4, depending on where you can find it. So for me, this one has been impressing me, but every time I see a price tag and I see the one that I love, nothing compares to that one, because with the price of one high-end I could buy about 7 of that one, and that one is still my favorite. So yeah, this one I want to finish and I want to try more and get to know it more, and I stick to one black liner at a time. So this is brand new. I wrote down that I wanted to put it on this project about 4 days ago, and I started using it that day. So this was basically brand new when it came to this project, and I'm hoping that I can finish it, and I use black liner every single day. Then to replace my Aqua Lip 3C, I have a backup of that one, but it's unopened. It's even wrapped in the paper that it comes with. So I wanted to finish all of my nude liners and just one by one start to just work on them, because for me they don't make a difference. It doesn't matter the shade. I stick to one and I try to finish it, and then I open another one. So from now on, if I have 2, that's gonna be more than enough. My lip liner collection is not out of hand, but it doesn't have to have the amount that I have. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Iconic Nude, and this one I've used, but it's not abused. So it was abused when I first got it, but I haven't used it in a while, and what I want to do is finish it before it dries out. So this is gonna be the lip liner that I will use to overline my lips, and to just, when I'm gonna use a nude, this will be the lip liner that I do use. And I know these can last me all year, because I'm not the type of person that will sharpen her lip liner every single time she uses it. So maybe not. I've never finished Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. This is the only one that I've ever had. So I don't know how quickly this goes. I don't even remember how quickly I went through the amount that I went through. But the Aqua Lip, they take forever to use. Same with the MAC ones. Hopefully I can open another one and just work on another one. Then I have here the Laura Mercier Cocoa Caviar Stick. I forgot about this one for a little while, and then I got back on track with it. I adore this product. I love my caviar sticks. I adore them. I've been loving Caramel, which is a newer shade for me. This is all that I have left. And this was one of the products for last year, a favorite product. I would use it to just do tear duct cat eye to create a foxy eye. I use it as a base for eyeshadow. I can use it to create a smoky eye. This is my most used caviar stick, and I just adore it. Or I know that I can finish this quickly if I put my mind into it, because almost every day I wear brown on my eyes, or a mauve tone, that I can use this as a base basically if I'm not using it on its own. And I love brown. It doesn't bug me. Everything I have, that's all that I have left, and my goal for this one is to finish it. And then the last product that I have here is Fussy by Fenty Beauty, and this one, it's right here where you can see the washi tape. So what I want to do is I want to take it halfway, or if I can't finish it, I will finish it. So I'm gonna leave this one for at least 3 months, so that it just has a quarter for me to use it more, because I want to finish a few lip products, and I've been working on a few lipsticks, but I'm so bad at panning lipsticks that I know glosses can show a little bit more progress. So I will let you guys know how it goes, but my goal for this one is to finish it, but if not, use it for 3 months and see where it takes me. At least I want to reach the letter A right here from the word beauty, and I would be happy with that. So that's it, you guys. Those are the new 6 products that I have, or the new 4 products and the 2 that I had before. I hope you enjoyed this project. I'm sorry that I didn't post it before, but I'm gonna be super good about posting. So I'm gonna just go and film my deck of panning project pan update, and I will see you guys soon. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.